Junior chicken, McDonald's. Used to be $1.69 on their value meal. Now they're I got two of them, and there's $4.18. They're $2.09 each, and the McDoubles are still $1.69. So, is it still a deal? Well, it's cheaper than A&W, I guess, but comparatively, for the money, I don't know. Is it still a deal? Patty. A bit of lettuce and mayonnaise. So $2.09 plus the tax for whatever province or state, if you're in the States, that you live in. So is it still a deal? No, they're pretty good. Consider the junior chicken is spicy, and the McChicken, the regular chicken, I don't think it's not spicy. See the spiciness right on it. But they are good. Alright, thanks.